MBBS Bambubi and CONTA Faculty. Arush, I see so many things lined up. Do you know what is happening? Okay, I am sure everyone is curious. Let me call upon Miss Kanarinan to tell you about today's celebration and our theme Vividha.
As we all know, our school's curriculum is designed to offer a well-rounded education, focusing on academics, extracurricular activities, and character development.
हमारा मानना है कि सर्वांगीण शिक्षा हमारे समग्र विकास के लिए आवश्यक है, क्योंकि यह हमें भविष्य की चुनौतियों के लिए तैयार करेगी। यह कार्यक्रम हमारे लिए अपनी प्रतिभा और क्षमता को प्रदर्शित करने का एक अवसर है, जो सफलतापूर्वक चल रहे एलटीए क्लबों को उजागर करेंगे।
That brings us to our theme Vividha, which implies diversity and a range of abilities or the multiplicities of talents which we attend to showcase today. So please enjoy our Vividha morning.
हमारे कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत के लिए मैं अपने साथी छात्रों को गर्व के साथ एमबीबीएस गीत गाने के लिए आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा।
फॉर्मेशन में खड़े हैं, जोरदार तालियों से इनका प्रोत्साहन करें। I would like to tell you that the curriculum of APPS Benghazi is well structured and provides students with a solid foundation for future success. The teachers, enthusiasm and love for teaching create a positive and supportive learning environment. We are equipped with smart boards in our classrooms, providing students access to cutting-edge technology. Our school offers a diverse range of extracurricular activities that caters to students' varying interests. We aim to provide an environment where each student feels safe, valued and respected, which is essential for the well-being and academic success.
song every single day.
हाँ, क्योंकि संगीत सुनने से दिमाग और शरीर को एक साथ काम करने में मदद मिलती है।
So, what are you waiting for? Without further ado, let's begin this beautiful day with a beautiful song.
मैं बारबटिका डो के मेरे दोस्तों को एक सुंदर प्रदर्शन के लिए मंच पर बुलाना चाहूंगी।
See the sun shine in the window, time to start a new day. Can't you hear the songbirds singing? I gotta sing out loud, say that it's a beautiful day. We're running in the sun, a beautiful day that's just begun. A beautiful day to do what I wanna do. It's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I'd like to share it with you. Look around, there's a world of beauty, from the mountains to the sea. There's a wonder around every corner, waiting there for you and me. And it's a beautiful day, we're running in the sun. A beautiful day that's just begun. A beautiful day to do what I wanna do. This is a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I'd like to share it with you. I'd like to share it with you. I wanna share it with you.
Strength and solidarity with those affected by breast cancer. Green being symbolic for mental health awareness. Purple is for raising awareness against domestic violence. Blue is very close to your heart as it's a well-known symbol for prevention against child abuse. Green balloon is for raising awareness for prevention of heart ailments. And last but not the least, red is for awareness and prevention against HIV/AIDS. With these flying balloons, we now declare the cultural fest and sports extravaganza. We at APPS believe that learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Apart from this grand sports day, our school ensures we are constantly engaging in physical activities throughout the year. जीतने के लिए एक बड़ा दिल चाहिए जो हार से डरने की बजाय उसे चुनौती दे। जीतने के लिए स्पोर्ट्स में भाग लेने से माना जाता है कि हमें स्ट्रेस भी कम महसूस होता है। There to teach you, not to defeat you. Is certainly going to be put to the test along with balance. Let's take a look on your left. जो खुद को कभी नहीं छोड़ता वही इतिहास बनाता है। ये मैदान आपका है, इसे जीतने का वक्त आ चुका है। खेल में इस कहते हैं कि एक अपने सीखा वही है जो अपने मन से सोचते हैं। Run when you can, walk if you have to, crawl if you must, just never give up. Let's keep on cheering them until the end.
अभी नहीं कमिंग बोर्ड थर्ड इज दिस गर्ल
Whoa, that was such an adrenaline rush. The ability of its peoples to live together in harmony despite their differences. Let's invite the little wonders of Balatika 1 with a splendid performance on diversity in India.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattavar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattavar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkarni, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you. My name is Jaswinder, I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jaswinder, I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you. My name is Jamshedji, I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji, I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you. My name is Bindia, I'm from India. My name is Bindia, I'm from India. I speak Hindi and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
Here comes the Yoga Club. We will be beginning with the Surya Namaskar.
जटाटवीगलच्छद प्रवाहभावितस्थले तदेव लम्बलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिका टमटमटमटमनिनादवट्टमर्वय चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनो
Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice that offers numerous benefits for the overall well-being of our children.
जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमाभ्रमण्यलेपते जयि विलोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानपूर्वरि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलललाटपट्टपावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरेण तीर्थवीक्षणं मम नंदनी विरासबंधु बंधुरव पुरद्दिगंत संतति प्रमोद
You will now be seeing a display of various asanas.
चित्तिगंबरे मनो विनोदमे वस्तु
Pranamasana, Trikonasana,
লাগবে না এই হচ্ছে দৌড়াদৌড়ি করে
Ustrasana,
जलज्वलं प्रवाहपावितस्थले कलेवलं ज्वलं दण्डाम्बुजं तुङ्गमालिकं टपटमटमटमण्डिनादवटमर्पयं चकारचण्डताण्डवं करोतु न शिवं शिवम्
ভালো বাবা আমি এই দিক দিয়ে
जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमाटमण्डिजयि विलोलवीचि वल्लरी
Chakrasana,
गज्ज्वलललाटपट्टपावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरेण तीव्रवीक्षणं नमः
এটা নিতে হবে হ্যাঁ হোয়াইট না দাদা এটা চার্জ নাই
संतति प्रमोदमानमानसि कृपाकटाक्षधोरणि निरुद्धदुर्धरावति क्वचित् गम्भरे मनो विनोदमे
হ্যাঁ আমি পিয়ানো নিয়ে আমি মেয়েগুলো গান করতে পারছি
I would like everyone to look at the front of the stage as our little yogis will be forming the letters Y, O, G, A in formation. Let's clap for the yoga club.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Now the students of Karate Club will be demonstrating basic styles of Kudo Karate.
Now, get ready. Wash. Outstand. Come on. Take. Left hand. Middle punch. Yes. Mid. Son. Yon. Go. Roko. Nana.
Karate is derived from Kara, meaning empty, and Te, meaning hand.
Mid. Son. Yon. Go! Roko!
Karate originated from our very own country, India.
Lower punch. H. Knee. Sun. Yon. Go. Roko. Nana. Hachi. Q. Zo. Now 1 count 2 punch. Middle punch. H. Knee. Sun. Yon. Go. Roko. Nana. Hachi. Q. Zo.
It is a martial art that focuses on fighting and
Zoo! Zoo! Now get ready. Palm in the sky. H. Knee. Sun. Yon. Go. Roko. Nana. Hachi. Q. Zoo. Now elbow style. H. Knee. Sun. Yon. Go. Roko. Nana. Hachi. Q. Zoo. Now humble please. H. Knee. Sun. Yon. Go. Roko. Nana. Hachi. Q. Zoo. Now out step. Hey. Upper block. H. Knee. Sun. Yon. Go. Roko. Nana. Hachi.
Judo is a Japanese hybrid martial art which aims to achieve both safety and practicality.
Yon, go, Roko, Nana, Hachi, Q, Zoo. Now middle inside. H, Knee, Sun, Yon, go, Roko, Nana, Hachi, Q, Zoo. Hachi position. Now there. H, Knee, Sun, Yon, go, Roko, Nana, Hachi, Q, Zoo. Now block. H, Knee, Sun, Yon, go, Roko, Nana,
Our team is led by State President Shihan S.D. Burman of Judo International Federation of India, West Bengal.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now Zap cross and knee kick. H, knee, Sun, Yon, go, Roko, Nana, Hachi, Q, Zoo. Now get ready. Push.
The young boys and girls are going to break tiles with the force of Hammer Fist Strike. Let us call M. Ayush 2C, Rajiv Gupta 2F, Raghav Pahiwal 2B, Ayok Chetri 1A. जोरदार तालियों से उनका प्रोत्साहन करें।
Now get ready. Push. Now find the position. Now each. Knee. Sun. Okay.
We shall end the Kudo Karate demo by performing a unique stunt of breaking tiles with elbow strike. Let us call Sarthak 2A, R. Mukesh Reddy 2D, Shreyan Singh 2A.
Now get ready. Push. Fighting position. Each. Sun. Now get ready. Push.
Let's clap for the Karate Club.
सबका ना इनका उनका वही है माला वही है मन का मस्त मलन वो अपनी धुन का मंत्र तंत्र ज्ञानी है सर्वज्ञ स्वाभिमानी मृत्युंजय है महाविनाशी ओंकार है इसी की वाणी किसी की वाणी किसी की वाणी वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई इसके भीतर बसा शिवाय शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा भय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा भय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा ओम परमेश्वरा परा ओम निखिलेश्वरा हरा ओम जीवेश्वरेश्वर कनरारा ओम मंत्रेश्वर स्वरा ओम यंत्रेश्वर स्थिरा ओम तंत्रेश्वर शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा भय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव हर हर जय जय दिगिरारा भय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले
तालियों की आवाज बंद ना हो।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा
एक ही लक्ष्य के लिए दौड़ते हैं. As you can see, there is a wonderful display of teamwork and sportsmanship by the students of Balvatika 3 and Balvatika 2.
that side, please.
हिंद देश हम सभी एक हैं तररररर। भाषा अनेक है भाषा अनेक है। ये अनेक क्या है दीदी? अनेक यानी बहुत सारे। बहुत सारे? क्या बहुत सारे? अच्छा बताती हूँ। सूरज एक, चंदा एक, तारे अनेक। तारों को अनेक भी कहते हैं? नहीं नहीं, देखो फिर से। सूरज एक, चंदा एक, एक 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 करके तारे भये अनेक। ठीक से समझाओ ना दीदी। देखो देखो एक गिलहरी पीछे पीछे अनेक गिलहरियाँ। एक तितली एक और तितली एक 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 करके हो गई अब अनेक तितलियाँ। समझ गया दीदी? एक उंगली अनेक उंगलियाँ। हाँ दीदी दीदी, वो देखो अनेक चिड़िया। अनेक चिड़ियों की कहानी सुनोगे? हाँ हाँ। एक चिड़िया एक एक करके अनेक चिड़िया। दाना चुगने आई चिड़िया। हमें भी सुनाओ ना। तो सुनो फिर से। एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया दाना चुगने बैठ गई थी। हाय राम, पर वहाँ व्याध ने एक जाल बिछाया था। व्याध? व्याध कौन दीदी? व्याध चिड़िया पकड़ने वाला। फिर क्या हुआ दीदी? व्याध ने उन्हें पकड़ लिया, मार डाला। हिम्मत से अगर जुटे रहे तो छोटे हो पर मिले रहे तो बड़ा काम भी होवे भैया। बड़ा काम भी होवे भैया। एक दो तीन। चतुर चिड़िया सयानी चिड़िया मिलजुल कर जाल लेकर भागी चिड़िया। दूर एक गांव के पास चिड़ियों के दोस्त चूहे रहते थे और उन्होंने चिड़ियों का जाल काट दिया। तो देखा फिर तुमने, अनेक फिर एक हो जाते हैं तो कैसा मजा आता है। दीदी मैं बताऊं? हो गए एक, बन गई ताकत, बन गई हिम्मत। दीदी अगर हम एक हो जाए तो बड़ा काम कर सकते हैं। हाँ हाँ क्यों नहीं। तो इस
The third prize goes to Vidit. Let's all clap for our winners, parents. Second prize goes to Ram. And the winner of the first prize is Arush. Next we come to our second race for Balvatika 2. Second prize goes to Aditya Basnet. Let's clap for their parents. And the winner of the first prize is Aditya Raj. Next we come to Herd the Ping Pong, Balvatika 3. Third prize goes to Rishik. Second prize goes to Ayank. And the winner of the first prize is Suman. Thank you so much, sir. The third prize goes to Evan. The second prize goes to Revanche. And the first prize goes to Hitanshu. Let's keep on clapping, parents. First prize is Manvi. Second prize goes to Ayush. And the winner of the first prize is Shamim. Two girls, balance the potato. Third prize goes to Sanvi. Second prize goes to Ronak. And the winner of the first prize is Sonakshi. To Srayansh and Ridan. Second prize goes to Viraj and Ishika. And the first prize goes to Priyansh and Rishika. Let's keep on clapping for them, parents. Tree House with Anvi, Sanjay and Akshat. Second prize goes to Rana Pratap House with Ishani, Shivansh and Ankush. And the first prize goes to Rani Jhansi House with Ranveer, Anhat and Teresa.
So this annual fest and carnival, which is being conducted by the Army Pre-Primary School, Bengduvi, and the name which they have given to it, Vividha, which itself is very apt, and that last final show of Ek Chidiya Anek Chidiya, in which the complete, which was the actual, I would say, the sar of the complete theme which has been chosen for this morning today. It is very great to see that the APPS Bengdubi has firmly believes in this foundational, I would say, studies and education which it imparts to the students and the children who have come out of their houses, homes, first time, and when they enter into this pre-primary school. It is the most critical stage of a child's personality, because it is here that he learns those values, traditions, culture and everything. And I remember that from my own experience, that there are times when the child does not even listen to the parents at this age, because the teacher has told him or her something which they believe is the ultimate truth and nothing but the truth. So that much of impression, that amount of impression does the foundational teachers and the school forms on a child's, I would say, life and career ahead. The last 1 year I have seen the Army Pre-Primary School grow from strength to strength. There have been number of initiatives in terms of infrastructure built up which has been taken. Number of classrooms have been added. We have added class 1 and 2 into the folds of the pre-primary school. The smart boards and everything has been done. The school has also introduced this leisure time activity clubs whose performance we saw today morning, and it was very heartening to see those little children perform in such a good and coordinated manner. These developments actually underscore the school's commitment to provide the best what is available to the children, and I am very proud to say that the family of the Army Pre-Primary School Bengdubi is increasing, and today we have almost 44 teachers and more than 1,000 students who are studying in this school, along with 40 plus support staff which is providing the complete support for the functioning of the school. So for the teachers, I would say that my compliments for your hard work put in throughout the year, and also for today's show which was put up. It was an excellent show, and you must understand that all the teachers carry a tremendous responsibility on their shoulders because of this nature of this pre-primary school. The most critical, as I said earlier, in a child's development, and your dedication and patience is surely going to, I would say, going to shape their future the way you mold it today. Apart from the school, the parents of these children also play a very important role in the child's learning as well as development journey. So it is a partnership actually between the school, parents, teachers, and all of us have to work together in case we want a child to become a responsible, I would say, citizen of this nation and contribute towards its growth. In conclusion, I would once again congratulate the Army Pre-Primary School Bengdubi for putting up a stupendous show today, as well as carrying out its duties of giving foundation level education to the students who are studying in the school. My compliments to the principal, teachers, staff, as well as management for organizing this and also inviting all of us over here. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my privilege and honor to deliver the vote of thanks as we conclude part 1 of our school's annual Fest and Carnival, Vividha 2024. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest, Major General Tarun Agrawal, GOC 111 Sub-Area, for taking time from his busy schedule to grace this occasion and addressing us with his inspiring words. Honorable Chief Patron, your presence today has elevated this event and motivated our students and staff alike. We are extremely grateful to Mrs. Sonali Agrawal, Chairperson, FWO 111 sub-area for her gracious presence today. Ma'am, your support and encouragement mean a lot to us, and we are honored and privileged to have you here today. I would also like to sincerely thank our guest of honor, our patron, Brigadier Rajiv S. Nair, Deputy GOC, 111 sub-area, for joining us today and always lending us his valuable support and guidance. We are also delighted to have Mrs. Gayatri Nair, Deputy Chairperson, FWO 111 sub-area, among us. Ma'am, your presence has added warmth and elegance to this event, and we deeply appreciate it. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our chairman, Colonel Vimal, for being a pillar of support and a beacon of light guiding us through in all our endeavors. A special note of gratitude to all our distinguished guests present here for taking out time to grace this occasion. Your presence today is a source of encouragement for us, and it will definitely work as a catalyst in our endeavor to excel and explore new avenues for our students' growth. Today's event was not merely a celebration. It was a platform to showcase the varied talents being nurtured in our school through our leisure time activity clubs. This initiative was started in the month of August this year with the belief that every young mind possesses a unique gift or talent. Through our leisure time activity clubs, we aim to tap them young so that they thrive exploring their hobbies and even turning their passions into potential careers. I take this moment to applaud the sincere efforts of our leisure time activity club teachers for mentoring our students and curating such a beautiful display of talent. The LTA performances and presentations today were a testament to their dedication and the boundless potential of our students. I wholeheartedly thank our incredible teachers who work tirelessly to prepare and mentor our students for this event. My dear colleagues, your dedication and effort is the driving force behind all our accomplishments as a school. I would like to commend our students for their vibrant energy, creativity and hard work. Dear children, you are the pride of APPS Beg to Be, and seeing you all shine today has been truly rewarding. Kudos to you all. My vote of thanks will be incomplete without mentioning the support the school got from station headquarters and various units of 111 sub-area. I thank each one of you for helping us in smooth conduct of today's event. Last but not the least, to our administration and support staff, thank you for your hard work and dedication. Your tireless efforts behind the scenes have not gone unnoticed. I once again thank all present here for being part of this memorable day. May we continue to celebrate the joy of learning and growing with these young minds. Have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.
The raffle box is ready. वो आपके सामने ही अभी ही ओपन किया जा रहा है. सभी अपना टिकट्स पे कवर फरमाएं. Raffle ticket number 8 goes to 558 Riyasha Adhikari. Raffle number 8 goes to 558 Riyasha Adhikari. Raffle number 6 goes to ticket number 356 Abhinandan. We have given a good shake to the box. Raffle number 5 goes to ticket number 406 Athar. 406 Athar. Ticket number, the most luckiest winner of today, the ticket number is 779 Roshan Nanda.